Go from this to this. Whether you're starting from scratch or already know how to do push-ups, you can always go to a more difficult variation or a long string of reps of the workout. Use these tips to enhance your push-up technique. Or you've struggled in the past to nail your first push-up, or you're stuck with your push-up training and can't seem to progress. This video will lay out precisely what you need to do to see results. To increase your push-ups, concentrate on your upper body strength and muscle mass with chest and triceps training. This includes doing push-ups from various angles 2 to 3 times per week. Push-ups may be improved no matter where you start. We will be covering the following. What muscles do push-ups work? Why are push-ups so hard? How to do a proper push-up with the proper technique. How to get better at push-ups. Let's go. First of all, what muscles do push-ups work? Push-ups work the chest and triceps, but they also work the anterior deltoid, front of shoulder. Why are push-ups so hard? Push-ups can exercise difficult for people of all sizes. In general, a push-up requires you to raise 50 to 60% of your body weight, with greater strength needed to go the full range of motion, which may explain why they are so difficult. How to do a proper push-up with the proper technique. 1. Begin in a plank position with your elbows extended and your hands slightly wider than your shoulder width. Squeeze your feet and knees together and raise your belly button up into your torso to help you keep your abdominals firm. 2. Take a deep breath and begin lowering your body to the ground by bending your elbows. At the bottom of the push-up, the hands should be in line with the sternum, and the elbows should be at a 45-degree angle. You don't want your elbows to be extremely tucked or unduly flared. Keep your chin tucked and look down rather than ahead. 3. On the way down, the tempo should be maintained, but you don't want to go any slower than required. The quicker you fall, the harder it is to climb back up. Return to the starting position and continue the exercise, exhaling while maintaining your elbows straight. Reset yourself and go over the entire checklist above if required to ensure your core is tight and your legs are squeezed together. How to get better at push-ups. Note, the first 5 tips will help you complete your first push-up. If you can already perform your first push-up, the other 5 strategies will help you accomplish more push-ups than you can now. 1. Try performing 1 rep every day. To nail your first push-up, you must practice the technique regularly. This might include a few incline push-ups or repetitions while kneeling. 2. Get better in planks. You may have the strength in your chest and triceps to move 50 to 60% of your body weight for repetitions, but if your core strength and coordination are lacking, you won't be able to do push-ups properly. Better still, complete these planks with additional weight on your back for maximum benefit. 3. Strengthen your upper back. A strong upper back is necessary to improve upper body pressing strength. The stronger your upper back, the better your chest and triceps can apply force without moving your shoulder blade. If you want to strengthen your upper back, stick to exercises like bent over rows, inverted rows, and pull-ups. 4. Practice your bench press and floor presses. As previously said, in order to do a push-up, you must be able to bench press 50 to 60% of your body weight for numerous reps. If you are unable to do so, you must train the bench press and other upper body pressing exercises, such as the floor press, a few times each week. 5. Master incline push-ups. The incline push-up is a great way to practice the push-up in a more advanced version while still building many of the same movement qualities and strength necessary to nail a standard push-up. 6. Test your max rep push-ups weekly. Track your progress every week once you can complete a proper push-up. I recommend completing 1 full set of push-ups with the correct form once a week to track your progress. This will also help you figure out how many sets and repetitions of push-ups you should do on other days of the week. 7. Do half push-ups after failing the usual reps. If you can already do a few regular push-ups, adding some partial push-ups, incline push-ups or push-ups on knees, just after you achieve failure on regular push-ups is a terrific training stimulus. 8. Train push-ups 3 times per week. Training the push-up 3 times a week allows you to have a test day, as previously said, a volume day, a large number of repetitions and reps, and a day when you do numerous push-up variants. By performing push-ups in this manner, you can ensure that you cover all of your bases for strength and muscular growth while also improving your technique. 9. Strengthen your triceps. If you struggle with the upper section of the push-up, your triceps are most likely to blame. Do extra triceps workouts such as triceps pushdowns and floor presses to remedy this. Increase your chest strength. Building a stronger chest might make moving your body weight easier, especially if you struggle with the button end of the push-up. Weight training can help you bridge the gap between being unable to complete any, or very few, push-ups and achieving higher rep sets. To get a huge stretch on the chest muscles, try adding dumbbell bench presses and lowering them as low as possible. In conclusion, push-ups are a classic workout for a reason. The total body workout may target your upper body, and there are so many variations that you'll never get bored. Push-ups are excellent for strengthening your chest, triceps, and entire core. Remember to maintain good form to avoid injury so you can continue to get stronger over time and meet your fitness goals. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Stay healthy and beautiful.